This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TallyPrime for accounting. First, let's begin by creating a new company in TallyPrime, which is your initial step. You'll then set up crucial accounting features tailored to your business needs. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface and learn key navigation shortcuts to boost your efficiency. Finally, configure your ledgers and groups meticulously for precise financial classification, ensuring every transaction is categorized correctly from the start. Moving on, recording daily transactions is fundamental. You will learn to enter diverse vouchers, including sales, purchases, receipts, and payments, ensuring every financial event is captured. Efficiently manage your inventory by tracking stock movements and item details, maintaining accurate stock levels. Furthermore, master the process of reconciling your bank statements with recorded transactions, which helps in identifying discrepancies and ensuring financial accuracy. Next, generating comprehensive financial reports is crucial for business insights. TallyPrime allows you to effortlessly generate profit and loss statements and balance sheets, providing a clear financial snapshot. You can also access detailed trial balances and cash flow reports to understand your financial position and liquidity. Remember, you have the flexibility to customize these reports to meet your specific business requirements, offering tailored views of your financial data. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and compliance aspects. TallyPrime helps you implement goods and services tax compliance seamlessly, generating all necessary reports. You can also utilize the integrated payroll features for efficient employee salary management, handling everything from attendance to deductions. Always remember to secure your valuable financial data by regularly using the robust backup and restore options available, protecting your business information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.